Hi, my name is Crystal Duxbury, and I'm in transition from being a human resource and benefit specialist to becoming a mediator. Today, the past 2 days, I've attended a workshop with Eleanor and Susan, and what I can tell you is coming to one of their seminars is like sitting down with your very best friend, because your very best friend is going to tell you really exactly like it is, and so do they. It's a wonderful, ongoing mentoring relationship. And if you have an opportunity to attend one of their seminars, do yourself a favor. Sign up right away.
I'm Victoria Bryant. I'm an attorney and I'm a part-time mediator. This is not the first course I've taken here. It's one of the best training classes I've taken, whether it's mediation or for lawyer skills. The course was practical and it was inspiring, and I have a plan. So I'm going to follow up on this, and it's a great networking event and I highly recommend it.
Hi, I'm Kathy Bowers. My website is www.nationalpatient.com. I'm a patient advocate. What I learned this weekend were two wonderful things. That I am a consultant, that I can wear that hat as a consultant, market my business, have my own personal clients, as well as I can take my expertise and use that in a mediation realm. What I was very impressed with, the fact that I already have my 10-point information. I have a lot of the tools that I'm aware of that I have been using, and especially the networking techniques. So it really reinforced by having the professionals here today, a value added to the workshop, and I just can't wait for the follow-up phone call.
Hi, my name is Karen Sachs. I'm the founder and director of the Center for Rational Solutions. I just finished the mediation training course given by Susan and Eleanor. I have to say it was a wonderful training where we received invaluable information, and I'm sure this would absolutely change the careers of many of us in the room. I have to say the one thing about mediation training is the presenters they bring in and the way they do it, you learn as you laugh. So it's enjoyable, interactive, and beyond informative. Thank you.